Today we're going to talk about material safety data sheets, as they used to be called, but today they're called safety data sheets. As of 2016, when the GHS Global Harmonization Systems program went into effect, they've now been called safety data sheets. This is a copy of a safety data sheet, formerly known as a material safety data sheet. What's changed? Well, they're simpler to read for the everyday man. If you don't have a chemical engineering degree, it's okay. Today you can read these. They're easy to understand, and they also have pictograms on them that make them easier to understand. Some safety data sheets are 20 pages long, and some are 1 or 2 pages long. It just depends on the chemicals and how many hazards they have. This particular safety data sheet, as you can see, is a fairly long safety data sheet. Now, what is a safety data sheet and why is it important? The safety data sheet is required by OSHA and the government for all chemical manufacturers to produce and supply to the end user. Why? Because the 16 sections on the safety data sheet pertain to safety. One of them is the name and the phone number and the contact information of the company should somebody need to know something or somebody get in trouble and consume some product and they have an event where the emergency people need to come out. There's another section on disposal and waste. There's another section on fire, one on handling and usage, a section on how to store that chemical properly, and so forth and so on. Extremely important you read your safety data sheet, particularly the PPE section, personal protection equipment section, on what to wear when you're using a chemical. The reason for this is it could be respirable. The chemical could be absorbable. It could be ingested. So read your PPE section also. Overall, have your safety data sheet on hand and have them publicly provided for all employees.